Hey everyone, welcome back to the Alex and Emma Show. I'm Mr. Alex, and today we're going to talk about something powerful: what to do when you feel like giving up.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Yes, today's topic is so important because we all have those moments when we feel tired, unmotivated, or like nothing is working.
That's right. Feeling tired doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been strong for too long. Everyone feels that way. Students, workers, even successful people.
Exactly. The important thing is not to stay tired. You can rest, but don't quit. Like that beautiful quote says, rest if you must, but don't quit.
If you're listening right now and you feel like giving up, take a deep breath. You're still moving forward, even slowly. Progress is progress.
Yes, sometimes we want results quickly. We want to speak fluent English today, not next year. But great things take time. Small daily actions create big results.
It's like planting a tree. You water it every day, but you don't shout at it. Grow faster. You just keep caring for it. That's how success and fluency grow too.
That's such a good example, Alex. And you know what? The words we use also matter. Instead of saying, I can't do this, we can say, I'm learning.
Let's practice that together. Repeat after me. I'm not failing. I'm learning. I'm not behind. I'm growing. I'm not giving up. I'm moving forward.
Beautiful. When we speak positive English, we feel more confident. It helps our mindset and improves our speaking fluency too.
Emma, do you know J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter?
Of course. Her story is so inspiring. She was rejected by many publishers before someone finally said yes.
Exactly. Imagine if she had stopped trying. The world would never have known Harry Potter. That's the power of not giving up.
And it's the same for everyone listening. Mistakes, rejection, or failure, they don't mean stop. They mean keep going. Every mistake is part of your success story.
Yes, every mistake means you're learning something new. So don't be afraid of mistakes. They're your teachers on the journey to success.
When you feel tired, don't quit. Just pause. Take a walk, listen to music, or watch something relaxing in English. Recharge your energy.
That's right. Think of yourself like a phone battery. When it's low, you don't throw it away, you charge it. You can charge too.
I love that. Resting doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're getting ready for your next step.
Exactly. So if you're listening, remember why you started. You had a dream, a reason, a goal. Don't forget it just because today feels heavy.
You've already come so far. Keep going. You're learning, improving, and inspiring others too, even when you don't realize it.
If today feels hard, smile and say to yourself, I will try again tomorrow. That simple sentence can change your day.
Yes. And while you keep trying, don't forget to practice English with us. Motivation and fluency grow together. One word, one day at a time.
That's right, Emma. Motivation and fluency go hand in hand. When your mind is positive, your words flow more easily. And when you speak confidently, you feel even more motivated.
Yes, that's why learning English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's also about mindset, believing that you can improve, even when progress feels slow.
Exactly. Sometimes people say, I'm not good at English. But what they really mean is, I haven't practiced enough yet. That little word, yet, makes a big difference.
I love that. Yet means you're still on your way. It's not the end, it's the middle of your story. So instead of, I can't speak English, say, I can't speak English yet.
That's such a powerful change. And you can use this idea in every part of your life, not just English. I'm not successful yet. I haven't reached my goal yet. I haven't finished my journey yet.
Yes, each yet adds hope. It reminds you that your story isn't over. Every day you practice, every word you speak, you're getting closer.
And remember, consistency beats speed. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of focused practice can create amazing results if you do it regularly.
That's true. Some learners study one day and then stop for a week. But small, daily steps are more powerful than one big jump.
Exactly. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 3 hours once a week, right? You do it a few minutes every day. Learning works the same way.
That's a great example. And if you miss a day, don't feel guilty. Just start again the next day. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about persistence.
Yes, you only fail when you stop trying. So no matter what, keep moving, even if it's just a tiny step forward.
And remember, you're not alone. We're all learning together. Everyone listening right now is part of this journey too.
Absolutely. So let's make a promise. When we feel tired or discouraged, we'll take a break, recharge, and come back stronger. Deal?
Deal. And if you agree, listeners, say it out loud with us. I won't give up. I'll keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in myself.
Beautiful. Keep that energy with you today. No matter how small your step, it still counts.
And before we end, don't forget, subscribe to our podcast so you can keep learning English and stay motivated every week.
Yes, and share this episode with a friend who might need a little encouragement today. You never know, your words might help someone keep going. Thank you so much for listening to the Alex and Emma Show.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational English conversations every week.
See you next time, and don't give up.